Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome my project. My name is Ahmad Fadilah. I'm from Informatic Engineering Polytechnic Negeri Banjarmasin. I would like to share with you information on how to sign up Gmail. Let's begin.
Okay, first one, open Google Chrome or other, tap daftar Gmail in the search, then klik membuat akun Gmail. On the next page, klik buat akun. Then fill in nama depan Ahmad and nama belakang Fadilah. Don't forget nama pengguna Ahmad Fadilah. Then make a password that is useful to guard. If you want to see the password that you create, click the eye icon on the right, then klik selanjutnya. I'm sorry, made it too easy to password, and I'll try again. Fadilah 77. Klik selanjutnya again. On the next page, fill in your phone number which is still active. If it has filled in the date 23 month September and years of your birth 2000, code genre pria, dan klik selanjutnya. On the next step, you are asked to confirm your cell phone number. If you are sure, then click kirim. Wait for the verification code sent to your mobile. If you have entered the verification code, then klik verifikasi. On the next page, klik saya setuju. Ya, saya setuju. On the next page, klik again saya setuju. Saya setuju. Wait until the next page appears. Blah 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 blah. Then there will be a notification that your account is ready to use. Welcome to Ahmad Fadilah from Gmail. Ya, from Gmail. Gmail new Gmail, guys.